How to update Messenger on your Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to update your Messenger application on your Android device. The process is same if you have an iOS device as well, so let's just jump right into the video. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Messenger. See if there are any latest features missing on your Messenger. If not, you could just go ahead and find Play Store on your device, or if you are on an iOS device, it should be your App Store. Now from here, all you have to do is find the search bar at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon, and then search for Messenger. Once you do that, you'll find the Messenger app from here, from Meta. Now, if you see an update button here instead of open, that means you have an update available. And then what you can do is make sure that the enable auto update is turned on as well, because once this is on, whenever you get a new update, it's going to be updated automatically without having for you to do it right here. So what you need to do next is, once you have updated the app, you can either go ahead and long press on the app, tap on the I button, and then from here what you can do is uninstall your latest updates, or what you can do is go to storage and clear your entire data, uninstall the app, and then reinstall it back again. And once you reinstall your application, the update is going to be there. And that's how you can update your Facebook Messenger application on Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.